Welcome to today's math class.
Let's prove the theorem AAA criteria of similarity of two triangles. It states that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence two triangles are similar. So what is given? Let's draw. Two triangles are given. So I'll name those triangles as triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So I'm going to name those triangles now. A, B, C, D, E, F. Then what is given in two corresponding angles are equal. So which are the corresponding angles? Let me write. A corresponds to D, B corresponds to E and C corresponds to F. So we are writing this as given data. So given in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A corresponds to angle D, angle B corresponds to angle E, angle C corresponds to angle F. So next step is to prove. What is to be proved? If they are equal, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, hence they are similar. So we'll write the ratio of corresponding sides. So AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to, next is CA upon FD. So if you write AC, you have to write it as DF, corresponding sides, corresponding vertices. In the last previous class, you have studied that. So next step is construction, because only with the given data we cannot prove this. So I am going to write construction. Now what is the construction here? Now I am going to join PQ, that is drawing a line PQ in such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So both are equal. So what I am going to write here, join PQ such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Next step is proof. So always we write proof as statement and reason. Statement and reason. Now we have constructed here DP and AB, AC and DQ are equal. So I am going to write now triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. What is the reason, children? That is because of the construction. Now if sides are equal, all the three sides are equal. If two sides are equal, automatically the third side BC is also equal to PQ. Can we write? So the reason is, that is because of the construction. So this is congruent. This is not similar, it is congruent. So because of this, what we can write now? Angle A is corresponds to angle D, that is already given. Now you can write here angle B is equal to angle P, isn't it? And also angle C is equal to angle Q. Why it is so? That is CPCT. What is that CPCT? Congruent parts of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this implies that now you can see here P is also equal to E, Q is also equal to F. So can we write PQ is parallel to EF now? Isn't it? So this implies PQ parallel to EF. The reason is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right? Now what we get through this? Therefore, dP upon PE is equal to dQ upon QF. Do you remember why it is so? This is of Thales theorem. So reason is Thales theorem. Do you remember, children? Thales theorem. That is AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. These are the similarity criteria, right? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. It implies, that is, similarly, again I am going to write AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Right now, AB by D, AC by DF. Now, AB by DE, it is also equal to BC by EF. Right? So, we have proved here. So, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So, hence we have proved here the given statement.
Take down today's home assignment. Prove AAA criteria theorem. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Stay safe.